come out for her since morning. Even after my sister said, just come out.
Just like that.
No, let me just stay house. Even if it's after my tongue.
Bobby, don't say you the fuck up. Happen now your men, your niggas them show. You know if you drop 1 or 2 for us.
Even water. See, if I don't know the you will be mine. You are let the kitchen well. No nothing is good.
Maybe always. That's only my work. Mommy. Mommy, welcome.
Shout for that big male there. Male. I come my dada for you.
Male don't show.
I don't show.
Male welcome. Male will pure.
The mount.
I think you can people.
Now what do they receive for here since I say how come now go there and no go fit because all of
Even what? No, since what they do that way.
Don't worry, I will do that. Can I have a cup of tea?
Mali, sit down. Sit down.
Stories with us. Come on, now.
My people.
Male.
I want to ask you, what is your benefit in all this thing that you're doing? Drinking and smoking, drinking alcohol. What is the benefit?
Male, now the only thing they give us joy.
Never joy food, never joy food.
See, Mama, this is we pass my email they find day by day for this time.
Male, you self, you don't know.
Besides, it's risky. Police can come now. Land you in the cell. The cell.
Male, no be for this community. Now we they run this town. Then, who be that police now? Who goes the police? We go them down.
Yeah, died for them. They were no thought.
Male, see Sama. Now we get this Sama.
Nah, so, but no be so. Now they run the town now.
See, Mama, for this country, for this man and for the entire community, now we'll get them. Even though say when this town they cool, now they make in their hall.
Shout for that was scheme on the other
side. Now we get the street. Now they make the street every day. They bob in story to the our lad they come every day now.
My people, what I'm saying is that you people should just look for something good and be doing. There are things you will be doing. It will give you joy more than all this thing.
See, Mama, if you come up picking way they give place for mouth, what thing go take the survive?
Ask me,
Bobby, if you ask me who I go ask.
Look at you!
I don't understand.
There's something that you will do now, like looking for job, skill acquisition, and need money be entering inside your account.
Male, which money we go better passes and we say we hope for hand.
Try.
Okay.
Thank you, John. Male.
Shout for that was the boss man.
Male, we go reason the matter we go punch you know, so we go reason the matter. Male, no shake you.
Male, no worry, we'll deal with you.
Mama.
Hey,
Mama.
Mama Bukao.
I give you passport.
Shout for that was scheme on West Sabidi.
We'll deal with you, Mama. We'll deal with you, Mama. Nothing there.
Is that what they are doing? No, it's not what you think. It's moving on the village.
What kind of nonsense is this one now? What are you doing here? I don't the plate I asked you to wash.
Can't you see that I'm sweeping?
Oh yeah, leave that thing now. Go and wash that place quickly.
I'm not leaving this sweeping until I'm done sweeping this compound. That's when I will touch any plate in that kitchen.
Ada, so you have gone the ways to challenge my orders in this house, Ada? Oh yeah, need down there. Ada, need down there. Mama,
Ada, Ma, don't need that.
Mama, so you are the one sponsoring this girl's stubbornness in this house?
Why are you telling her to kneel down?
Mama, because the plate I asked her to wash, she has not washed it now.
Can't you see that she's sweeping? Eh? Why not go there and wash it?
Mama, Mama Bebuka kiss him, I should go and wash plate. When we have a small girl like this in this house, Mama.
I'm not a small
Shut
girl.
up.
Not one small girl.
What concern you with plate this morning?
Mama, I want to make use of the plate now.
Hey, Ada! Oh dear! Hey, you go in there and wash that plate.
Mama,
Yes! When you're ready to eat, you go and wash it.
Mama Bebuka can assume that I
Okay.
Okay, Mama, no problem.
Oh, she said, go.
So you are continue to spoil this girl.
Get out.
Oh my God, Mama, you have to know now.
She didn't
Mama,
say
believe
she-
what you see. I'll break you like stick in this house. Mama will go out too.
Come on, get up on here. Ada, Ma, continue sweeping.
Why? I'm not a womanizer. I'm not a Casanova. But I live my life in my own world. As a decent man, as so created by God. Amaka, what did they call you? Look, let me tell you point blank. If anything happens to you, I will not come out. Whether you're pregnant too, I will come out. Whether they kill you somewhere where you go to sleep with cold boys, so whether they use you for ritual, so what? Hey, I have been quite rude at that. Don't deny me. I think
Why they
deny
don't
me.
say you don't know where I go carry Amaka belle come to your house?
I think
Why? Amaka. Amaka.
Yes.
I no tell you the time where they follow all the whole boys in this village. Amaka, I no go there alive. You go outside, carry belle, come to this my house. Amaka, Amaka, you dey hear me now?
Mommy, don't talk finish.
Hey, Nai, eh? See, Mama, don't talk finish. Nai, hey,
I told you from all sides. I watch you.
hey.
Chinanya, my friend. Hi. This boy character is getting worse. Learn skill. He doesn't want to learn skill. Complete your education. Hey, for where? I don't know what to do. I'm tired, my friend.
My Buka, don't get tired easily to change your son. Keep on praying until you win your son's heart.
My dear, thank you for the word of hope. I almost give up on him.
Don't give up on Ebuka. Don't allow that boy's stubbornness to make you to give up on him. Remember, okra cannot grow taller than the owner. Let him know that you are the mother of this house.
Oh, my sister, thank you very much. But help me and talk to Ebuka.
Okay. Please, can you call me Ebuka?
Yes, I will.
Okay.
Hi.
Auntie, you're welcome. My mom said that you're calling me.
Yes, so Ebuka, my son, how are you?
I'm fine.
Ebuka, I want you to learn work or you finish your school.
Auntie, did you come here to advise me or to tell me how to live my life, Auntie? If you know that you're pregnant, Auntie, I would have kicked you out of this compound.
Ebuka.
See, so this is what I've been discussing with my mother, gossiping me in this compound. Abi.
No, Ebuka, calm down.
Auntie, the next time you come to this compound and tell me nonsense, I will beat you.
Ebuka, I want you to learn work or you finish your school.
Auntie, leave my compound. Mama!
Ebuka, calm down.
Mama!
Hey!
Mama!
Yodi wawa.
out of my house! Idiot! What?
Papa, sorry. Papa, sorry, I will not do it again. Papa, sorry, I will not do it again. No. Papa, sorry, I will not do it again. Mommy, help me to make Papa. Papa, I will not do it again.
I know it will come to this stage. I know it will come to this stage. I know it will come to this stage. Take this bastard to the owner of the bastard. Take this bastard to the owner of the bastard. I told you that those who have refused to hear with their ears will surely see with their eyes. Idiot. Take the bastard. Away.
Hey. Amaka. Hey. Who give you belly, Amaka?
It's Ebuka.
Ebuka? Yes. But to find out now, you tell me say na nonso. Now, Ebuka again. Amaka, Oya, stand up. Go show me Ebuka. Oya.
Mama, the boy. 9 months time, I'll go see you.
Brilliant ones in your class. Now, I'm not a little bit, just I'm on a mass. But I will know. Touch.
Ebuka! Hey, Ebuka! Madam, what is shouting? Ebuka gave mine to pregnant my daughter.
Are you pregnant?
I'm pregnant. Ebuka.
Hey, Mama!
Come.
Amaka, what are you doing here? Huh?
Wait. She said she's pregnant.
Amaka, how many times I want not to come to this house with this pregnant Amaka? Eh? Amaka, it's like you're there for.
Ebuka. Now you give me belly. Ebuka is you. Ebuka. Oh, it's you.
Do you know anything about this pregnancy?
Mama, it's not me. I was there when they were doing it. I didn't do anything. Don't mind her. I was there when those my friends, they were doing it. I didn't do anything, Mama. Yes.
Madam, you heard me. Wait. Say that there are many going at the gym money. Are you getting it now? Oh yeah. Una? Madam, see, I see Ebuka and my daughter from my backyard where Ebuka they kiss my daughter. Oh, you said kissing.
Oh.
Abi?
So kissing.
How can only kissing give
So.
her? Madam, oh yeah, Una?
Mommy is
Ebuka.
Mama is Ebuka.
Your mother says kissing. I will go.
It's
Ebuka. I will go. I'm coming back here with the child. I will go.
Ebuka.
Hey,
Mama.
you just said it. You said now only kissing. How can kissing do?
I'm done. So kissing, you know.
Hey, Mama, the way I'm seeing this, your boy Ebuka will
No, me go on there.
You are girl's pregnancy.
Mama.
Because they don't know. Shut up. Pium. Madam. Ebuka, go and carry your baby. What? Mama. Grandma came. Shut up. Ebuka. Hey.
It's not in this house.
Ebuka, wait. Did you do anything?
Mama. Also, so like I'm not.
There
Mama no now. Mama no now.
Pium. Madam, shut up.
Ebuka.
Mama.
Are you the first person or the second person or the third person?
Mama, I'm not the first, but I'm a child mobile. So mobile.
Ebuka will want.
You are not the first.
I'm first.
That means that the first one was the one that got her.
I want to get
her.
Let them go and look for.
Yes.
Mama.
Yes.
Mama, you are supporting evil, Mama. What is it?
He said that he's not the first.
Mama, we caught Ebuka at the back of our house. Can you know where? Do you know what? Get out. What guy? Mama. Mama.
Yes, it's me, aka Edi Ahuano, known as Francis C. Francis. Please do not forget to subscribe. God's Figure Entertainment. Subscribe. And you will get more of what you have been wishing to get. Subscribe. We are waiting. And God will bless you for the ones who have been subscribing. Subscribe.